The elephant is a very important animal in India because it is a cultural symbol. Formerly, they were ridden by the kings to seem powerful and also by soldiers to go to war. Nowadays, they are only ridden by the bride and the groom in traditional weddings. Compared to the African elephants, Indian elephants' tusks are smaller. In the activity that we propose you this week, we will experiment with paint using the elephant silhouette from the previous project. The materials that we need are a basic paper, the elephant's template, a toothbrush or a brush, blue and silver paint, pencil, rubber, a black pen, and tape. First of all, we need to stick the cut piece with tape. Then, we will place the silhouette above the basic paper and stick them together with tape too. Get your paint and toothbrush ready and splash out the paint on the elephant's surface. Once dried, separate both papers and you will obtain the painted elephant silhouette. Use the pencil to draw the background where you want your elephant to be. To finish, retrace the landscape with the black pen. With these two activities, we have worked on the mass and void of the same drawing.